Hello and welcome to the progress video about this Counterpoint DA-11.5E CD Transport, which apparently is HDCD compatible. This is the only player that has HDCD logo that doesn't have any LED or indication. I look carefully, there aren't any HDCD segments on the display, but there normally is some kind of LED, and if any of you out there have one of those, please let me know, because there are still faults in it. Till now I've fixed the hum on the transformer. You see those 4 screws? Well, I put them in, or bolts and nuts really, and tightened them, and that got rid of the hum and buzz. Spent a good couple of hours on the remote, which originally resisted my attempts, but now it works fine. And I replaced the mechanism that was shot. Somebody replaced it, I don't know what they've done, but it just wasn't any good. Still work in progress. The drawer doesn't come out smoothly. As you see, there is a bigger gap on the bottom of the top, so it still rubs, but I can just put probably a couple of washers and just lift the whole front panel, and that should fix it. The puck doesn't mate well with that turntable, so maybe I'll need to replace the turntable from the old one. Adjust the power of the laser, because it's 0.3 of a milliwatt, which is double what it should be. And what worries me a bit is that out of the 3 output that it has a Toslink and SPD on both BNC and the RCA. Only RCA works out of the 3. Why it worries me, even though it should all be good, because this is the same format, it's basically just conversions there. What worries me is that I have to take that board out, and that board, as you see, there's no cables in display at all. It has a forest of pins, and it's very, very hard to make sure that all the pins mate with the sockets underneath. But we'll see, I'll have to do it somehow. So this is my solution to having no HDCD in my Vadia player. I'll just use that as a transport for HDCD discs, and now all I miss is CD text from having a perfect player. Well, if anybody knows about this light there, HDCD light, please let me know. That's all for now, folks, and till the next one. Bye-bye.